Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got my numbers breakdown for my Blue Lots box that I just received. All right, so here's my breakdown of my 22 items that I got on my Blue Lots box. It cost me $175 approximately, because it's about $150 plus the shipping. So let me give you the breakdown of what everything is that I feel like I can make. So we've got this toaster here. Brand new in box. This is after fees. I believe I can make $9 after fees selling this online. Then I've got the gyro maze, which I think is really clever and fun. This one will come out to $10 after fees. I'm not taking out my cost of purchase yet. This is just how much I believe that I can get paid if I sell it online. The Jolly Jumper car seat cover is going to be $14 is what I can make on that. And this one is a black and white one. This boy handkerchief with stars on it. It's called Twinkle Twinkle. This one, I believe I can make $13 on. And then this one is, I made a big deal in the last video about how me and my girls were in the Wizard of Oz. This is actually called an Over the Rainbow kerchief. So it's a chewable handkerchief you put around the baby's neck. And this one is also $13. So it must be a Wizard of Oz theme box. How did they know? Anyway. They didn't know, but I think it's fun. This craft item, I believe I can make about $5, and it is on the Amazon platform website. So, and then the next item I have is this Ps3 Mini Controller, and this was my big bopper. I can make $74, and it's got a really low sales rank. The nice thing is, even though some of these things I can only make $10 or $13 on, all of them have really, really low sales rank, so I know as soon as I send it to the warehouse, boom, it's going to be gone. This is a head wrap. I've got 2 of these. They can sell for about $17 after fees a piece. So that's $34 just in the head wraps alone. I was really wondering, oh no, I'm stuck with a bunch of these. Am I going to make money? Sure enough, $10 a piece after fees I can make on all 9 of these. So just these alone is a $90 payment. The combs I looked up, I've got 3 boxes of these combs, and after fees, if I send it to the Amazon warehouse, it ends up being negative money for me. So what I'll probably do is just keep these or donate these to a local food pantry or a shelter or something like that, because, you know, I don't need that many combs. And then last but not least, this is the Wizard of Oz Birdhouse. If you'd like to actually see what it looks like, watch my part 1 of this Blue Lots unboxing. I actually pull it out and show you what it looks like. It has really pretty red sparkly glass slippers, and that comes out to $13 is what I can make after fees on that. When I add everything up from this box, remember I spent about $175 on it with shipping, or 179, I believe. Sorry, I keep saying 175. 179, it equals out to $275 is what I can make on each one of these, on all of this item. So I can make roughly about $100 on this box. And the biggest thing is people are like, oh, only $100. But everything is going to sell very fast because all of the sales ranks are very low. So it's going to go real fast, and I can flip this money easily. So good quality condition from bluelots.com. I'm really excited about this box, and I'm excited to get this stuff listed and out the door so I can make some moolah. And if you have any questions or concerns, or I can help you in any way, check out my reseller program, which I'll tag at the end of this video. And if you have any other comments, please put them in the list below. I am going to list my Poshmark, eBay, and Amazon stores, so check those out. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.